Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox Xbox less laggy. First, close all other applications running in the background on your Xbox. This frees up valuable system resources. Next, ensure both your Xbox operating system and the Roblox game itself are fully updated to their latest versions. Finally, perform a complete restart of your Xbox console before you begin playing. These initial steps can significantly improve your game's performance and reduce frustrating lag. To further optimize your experience, consider your network connection. Using a wired Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi provides a much more stable and faster connection, minimizing latency. If a wired connection isn't feasible, try moving your Xbox closer to your Wi-Fi router, ideally within 3 to 5 feet. Also, reduce the number of other devices actively using your home network's bandwidth, especially for streaming or large downloads. This ensures Roblox gets the priority it needs. Within the Roblox game, adjusting your settings can make a big difference. Lower the graphics quality settings to reduce the visual strain on your Xbox. Similarly, decrease the render distance, which lessens the amount of detail your console needs to process at any given moment. Disabling unnecessary visual effects, such as shadows or complex textures, also helps. Playing on less crowded servers or games with fewer active players can also significantly improve performance. For advanced maintenance, regularly clear your Xbox's persistent storage and cache. This removes temporary files that can accumulate and slow things down. Ensure your Xbox has adequate ventilation. Overheating can severely impact performance. As a last resort, consider a factory reset of your Xbox, but remember to back up all your important data first. Finally, always check for and report any persistent bugs to Roblox support to help them improve the game for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.